Arey beta, why are you wearing such old clothes and shoes? And why is your hair not combed? Don't you want to spike your hair up like your favorite cricketer Virat Kohli? Come, here we will right away book a haircut appointment for you and also buy you new clothes and shoes.
Oh wow, Worry Singh, you really love your child?
Yes, I would do anything for him. He is my life.
In that case, I am sure that you must have secured the financial future of your little one by buying a life insurance policy too.
Oh, I never thought about that.
When you take so much care to keep your child up to date with regard to his lifestyle, you never considered securing his financial future. What if something unfortunate happens to you?
You are right, Happy Singh. How could I not think about this? Tell me, how can I make this right?
It's alright, Worry Singh. We all make mistakes. Fortunately, there is a life insurance plan which will be perfect for you. It's Future Generali New Assured Wealth Plan. This is a savings life insurance plan which will give you guaranteed returns, lump sum payout, and financial protection.
Oh, that sounds about right for me. In fact, I have been thinking of what product I can suggest to one of my clients. He too is of my age and has similar needs. Maybe I could suggest this plan to him.
Sure, Worry Singh. Let me tell you more about this plan. This plan comes with two options. Option 1 is a standard endowment plan. Under this option, policy ends at the completion of the policy term or upon death of the life assured, whichever is earlier. In either case, the life assured or the nominee gets the receivable benefits. In option 2, the death sum assured is payable immediately on death of life assured and the policy continues till the end of original policy term to ensure the financial objective of this plan is met. No further premiums need to be paid in case of death of life assured. So the nominee will also receive sum assured along with accrued guaranteed additions at the end of the policy term. Let me explain to you with an example. Suppose if your client is 35 years old and chooses this plan with option 2 for a policy term of 20 years, he pays rupees 50,000 excluding applicable taxes per year at the start of each year for a premium payment term of 10 years and for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs. During the policy term, from 8th year onwards, guaranteed additions would be added to the policy at the end of each policy year till the end of the policy term. After which, he would receive a lump sum of rupees 10,47,950 at maturity.
Wow, Happy Singh, this policy sounds promising. Will you tell me the benefits of this plan in detail?
Yes, Worry Singh, you can easily remember the key features of this plan with this sentence: get life cover with dual assurance. Life cover stands for life insurance cover, as this plan provides lump sum amount as death benefit in case of any unfortunate event. This amount can be used to maintain the lifestyle of policyholders' family or to fulfill their financial dreams and aspirations without worrying about the future. Like I mentioned before, this plan offers dual assurance. The first assurance is given through guaranteed additions. The policyholder gets to enjoy the benefit of guaranteed additions which get accumulated from end of 8th policy year till the end of policy term. The second assurance is through guaranteed lump sum maturity sum assured. This sum can be utilized to fulfill the financial goals of the policyholder and his family. There are other benefits too, like loan option. If the policyholder is in need of money, this policy will provide him an option to avail loan once his policy acquires surrender value. This policy will support him during difficult times. Then comes the tax benefits. The policyholder may be eligible for tax benefit as per the provisions of income tax laws. Next is limited premium payment term. If the policyholder purchases this policy, he need not pay for the entire policy term. He gets to choose from the available premium payment term options and enjoy the benefits for the entire policy term. Another benefit is that of no payment of future premiums under option 2. In case of unfortunate death of the life assured during the policy term, a lump sum amount equal to death sum assured is paid to his family and the policy continues with other benefits with no future payment of premiums. On original maturity date, the nominee will receive the sum assured plus accrued guaranteed additions.
Wow, these benefits sounds promising, but are they not taxable?
Like I mentioned before, Worry Singh, you will be happy to know that these benefits are guaranteed and may be eligible for tax benefits as per prevailing tax rules notified by the Government of India. Also, there is no impact of reduction of interest rate. Through Future Generali New Assured Wealth Plan, your returns will be secure.
This sounds like a perfect plan. But before that, I would like to understand the death benefit in detail.
Sure, Varis Singh, I am glad that you brought this up. Continuing from our previous example, suppose if something unfortunate happens to the life assured after paying premium of second policy year, his nominees would receive death sum assured of rupees 5 lakh as he had opted for option 2. No further premiums are required to be paid by the nominee. The policy continues with accrual of guaranteed additions from end of 8th policy year, even after death of the life assured till the end of the policy term, and a lump sum equal to sum assured plus accrued guaranteed additions. That is, rupees 10,47,950 will be paid to the nominee at the end of 20th policy year.
Okay, Happy Singh, I understand it fully now. Thank you for your help. This is a great product that I can pitch to my client and also the best gift that I can give to my son.
That's true, Varis Singh, and you are always welcome.